Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn food idioms in English. Hot potato. Meaning, a sensitive or controversial topic. The new law is a hot potato. No one wants to discuss it. She passed the hot potato to her colleague during the meeting. Apple of one's eye. Meaning, someone who is deeply loved, cherished, or treasured more than anyone else. Her son is the apple of her eye. That little girl is the apple of her grandfather's eye. Couch potato. Meaning, a lazy person who watches too much TV. Don't be a couch potato, go for a walk. He turned into a couch potato after getting that video game. Bring home the bacon. Meaning, to earn money for the family. My dad works hard to bring home the bacon. She brings home the bacon while he takes care of the kids. Have a lot on your plate. Meaning, to be very busy or overwhelmed. I can't take on another project. I already have a lot on my plate. She's got a lot on her plate with work and school. Not my cup of tea. Meaning, not something someone enjoys, likes, or is interested in. Horror movies are not my cup of tea. Thanks, but jazz music isn't really my cup of tea. Cool as a cucumber. Meaning, very calm and relaxed, even under stress. He stayed cool as a cucumber during the interview. Even in emergencies, she's cool as a cucumber. Sell like hotcakes. Meaning, to sell very quickly and in large quantities. Her new book is selling like hotcakes online. The new iPhones sell like hotcakes. Egg someone on. Meaning, to encourage someone to do something risky or wrong. He didn't want to jump, but his friends egged him on. Stop egging her on, she might actually do it. Have bigger fish to fry. Meaning, to have more important things to do. I can't worry about that now, I have bigger fish to fry. He ignored the small issues because he had bigger fish to fry. Walk on eggshells. meaning to be very careful about what you say or do around someone. Since the argument, we've been walking on eggshells around her. At work, I feel like I have to walk on eggshells all the time. Put all your eggs in one basket. Meaning, to risk everything on one plan or idea. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, apply to several jobs. She put all her eggs in one basket with that investment. Gravy train. Meaning, a way of making easy money with little effort. He jumped on the gravy train when crypto prices soared. That contract was a gravy train until the company shut down. Bad egg. Meaning, a person who behaves badly. Everyone else is great, but there's one bad egg in the group. Be careful, he's a bit of a bad egg. Full of beans. Meaning, very lively and energetic. The kids were full of beans after the birthday party. You're full of beans today. What's your secret? Hard nut to crack. Meaning, a difficult person or problem to deal with. This math problem is a hard nut to crack. He's a hard nut to crack, but he's nice once you get to know him. Go bananas. Meaning, to become very excited or crazy. The fans went bananas when the team won. She goes bananas every time she sees a puppy. In the soup. Meaning, in trouble. If you miss the deadline, you'll be in the soup. He was in the soup after breaking the vase. Chew the fat. Meaning, to chat or talk casually. We stayed up late chewing the fat. Let's grab coffee and chew the fat for a bit. Bite off more than you can chew. Meaning, to take on too much work or responsibility. I think I bit off more than I can chew with this project. Don't bite off more than you can chew, start small. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Meaning, too many people involved in something can ruin it. Let one person lead, too many cooks spoil the broth. The team failed because there were too many cooks.